Yes.
Yes. So, bro, we are meeting first time. So, please introduce
Not.
yourself. I want to know about yourself very well. So, please tell
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah. It's not our first time, but for our viewers, we should introduce ourselves to each other. Yeah, we should introduce ourselves, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for giving this chance to talk with you. I'm really very happy. Last few days back we had talked with each other, and finally again we connected. Okay. So thank you for asking. My name is Gendo Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. If I talk about my education, I'm pursuing graduation. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I have 3 sisters. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading, writing, talking with others, playing, or traveling. That's all.
Yes, 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 yes. Bro, so can I introduce myself? Because it is my
Yeah,
turn
yes,
to.
yes, sure, sure. Why not? Yes.
My name, yes, my name is Jadu. I'm from second district of Jharkhand. Eastern. People talk about my education. I studied 8th class. There are 5 members in my family. So, bro, said one that you did a car.
Yeah, yeah. What did you say?
Did you buy car or not?
Actually, your sound is breaking up. I'm unable to hear you properly.
Now you able to listen me?
Yeah, wind is blowing very fast. That's why. Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes. Bro, did you buy car?
Did I?
Did you buy car or not? I
No,
think you have got.
no,
I think you have got image.
no. I haven't bought any car, but sure in future I will buy a car.
Yes.
Yes.
So, bro, I came to when I looked your image on WhatsApp, I came to know he will have bought any car that you
No,
have.
no, no. It was my friend's car. It was my friend's car. Yeah.
Yes. Where is he from, bro?
He is also from my village. Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
He's also
So,
studying. Yeah.
how much did you cost to buy that car which he has bought?
Yeah. His father, has bought that car because his father has a his father is running a business. That's why. Yeah.
Oh, yes, that's good. Bro, today, by the way, anyway, we have connected many time. Today we shall talk about education and study related and English related mostly. But anyway,
Yes. 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 Right. Right. Right.
if you have questions about English, like how to practice English language, how to, become fluent in English language, so that is question. Keep on
Yeah.
running. People point all
Yes.
the
Yes.
time.
Yeah. 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 Right. 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 Yeah.
So if you have questions, so you can ask me and then I will ask you about English.
Yeah. 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 Sure. Sure. Why not?
Yes, yes, definitely. Ask me.
Okay. So like. If there is any boy who belongs to village, for him
Yes.
what the things that you would like to suggest him for our English language he should learn, or from where to start or how to learn, because there are many people or students they want to learn, but they don't have idea like how to start, how to learn.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, I'm gonna tell. So now I'm gonna tell for them, and who is living in the village, who think about English, that English is very hard language, we can't learn it. So I'm gonna tell them. So, and if you will think that English is very hard, and if you are living in the village, all the time
Yeah.
you can learn English language. It doesn't matter that it is not like that. I'm living in the village, then I can't learn English language. So definitely you can learn English language, but you must have mobile, which is mobile. You can get mobile from the market easily, just and you should get your mobile recharge, and then you should try to learn anything, and English you can learn easily from your mobile. That, and as you asked me, bro, before a while, that and from which grammar should we start, and should they start, and who belong to village area, you can consider. Actually they should start
Right.
possible from tenses, because
Right.
tenses
Right.
is very important for every person. Today when I had gone to school today, and our principal of my school, taught us tenses today also, you can consider. But actually already principal, the principal of my school know about me, that Jadu knows English language. Or some students of my class don't know tenses, so they were taught about tenses. And that I was telling about tenses very well. That your father was also watching my video that time. I was telling to everyone you can consider about my YouTube channel, in the school that time. And besides, there many people were taught, taught about tenses and told about my YouTube channel also, and therefore people are supporting me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the people are supporting me. Really, you are doing absolutely great job. Yeah, I'm very proud of you. Same here. I'm also doing like you because I'm also learning with the help of my phone. With my phone, I'm connecting with others and I'm improving myself day by day. Yes, same like you. I'm also doing.
Are you walking like me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can see my previous video. All the video I have made only outside because I really like making video outside. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, bro, definitely. And I said many people to make like this video that, and and like you can consider Sahru Ram. Do you know?
Yeah, yeah, yes, I know. I have talked with him. Yes.
He is very funny man. That always like watching his video that
Yeah,
he was in our side of home. There one day
yeah,
when he was walking for that time, and who was other person besides him was talking to him that time. He asked him that why are you walking in the forest? Are you not
yeah,
fearing from the animals? Like this, he was asked. He said that I'm not fearing. I will have developed the habit of walking in the forest also, but I don't fear. Like this, he said. So
yeah,
really, I liked his habit of making video on outside like me that. And like this video I think is getting viral in YouTube, you can consider. And definitely you should also make video in outside your home, and like this Saru will have got viral in YouTube, you can consider.
yeah.
Yes.
Right. So whatever you have explained about beginners, what the things they should do, absolutely right. I'm satisfied with your answer. And but now here the question is that, my dear friends, like they have knowledge. They know all the thing about tenses, grammar. They know like how to talk, how to start. But there is the problem of fear. They fear a lot. They think about their mistake, like I will make a lot of mistakes, what others they will think. These kind of problems happens with beginners. So what the things that you would like to suggest him about making mistakes, or about fear?
And, and if you're beginner for learning English language, if you're here to speak English language, so definitely, so some way of practicing I'm gonna tell you, and to learn English language, become fluent. If you want to become, brave person to speak this language, if you're fearing to speak English language, definitely, which way of practicing I'm gonna tell you, definitely they can improve their English language. First way, therefore people are having different kinds of problem to speak English language, and they are getting hesitation while speaking English language. That because they don't talk, you can consider, because they know every grammar all the same, they will not be able to speak English language. And
Yeah,
just they have to talk to people also. And some people many time, so far I saw a lot of people, and where I'm living here, different kinds of people are living here also, they know English very well, but because they are not able to speak English language, they will have only problem of not able to speak English language. That I said them. And one person one day, I said him that please talk to girl, but he was not talking to girl, bro, you can consider. He
yeah.
talk
Yes,
to
yes.
girl in English language, but he's very.
This kind of fears they have. Yes, yes. Even I'm also teaching in a private school. There are there are many teachers, more than 10 teachers, but all are not able to speak English. Yes, all the teachers they know English very well, but only few teachers they speak English. Yeah,
Yes, yes. So, and what should they do? Like they should practice every day. And first of all, they should find topic which is topic for them, on which topic they have to talk. And like you can consider, so some topic, story topic they can find out, and after that on the topic they can speak. And after that, when it will come to speaking to them, that time and they should record video. And after that, they
right.
should listen their video, that where will I have made mistake. If I have made any mistake, so I should correct it, and they should correct their mistake what they are going to speak in their video, which they are going to record while speaking and
Okay.
practicing. Other this time, and people, I think people will not have any problem, because this time, which is a Skype app, to create your account in Skype app is very easy, you can consider. So definitely you can create your account on this app, and then you can connect with different kinds of people and please talk. And you should not get hesitate while speaking English language. People, you can consider whether you will get to see any girl, whether you will get to know about girl to talk with her. So definitely you should talk with girl also, and with boy also, with
Yes, yes,
different kinds
yes.
of people you should talk. And I was also, it was also happening with me initially, you can consider.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
whenever
same here. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So one day, one person was from Tamil Nadu. He was very. You can consider he has known everything. He was knowing everything in English language. I was fearing that he knows everything about English that I know little bit. That I was fearing that what will he say me if I will speak English to him that like this. Actually, like this, and many times, my father actually keep on going to work like Goa, Mumbai, like this. My father keep on going. So one day, my father
Yeah,
said me that one person want to talk to you that, and I said him that my son want to talk to you that like this. My father said to him that, and I was fearing that what kind of people can he be, that if I will speak with him, so what will he say? But he knows everything. He know more than me, and I know little bit that him that. So what will he say? So then when I started speaking to him, but he was speaking very normally, you can consider like me as we are speaking
yeah,
English.
yeah,
Since then I thought that this time, because English is not language of Indian people, you can consider. Actually English is spoken by African people, you can consider, because this which is English language, we are having to learn this language. Yes, we are
right,
having to learn. Therefore people know little bit, because they can speak only basic English mostly people, but who know advanced English he can speak, but mostly people will have problem of not able to understand advanced English. Yes,
yeah,
but
right.
people I think of India use only basic English to speak. So easily you can understand the language and
Yeah,
please
right,
speak.
right, right.
Speak.
And
So
also
definitely
we have been studying, English subject since our childhood. That's why easily we can understand. But only we had problem of speaking. But if we will practice every day, day by day, consistency, definitely we will come across to learn this language or to talk with anyone fluently and confidently. Yeah,
yes. Because there are a lot of application available on Play Store, and by downloading that application, we can improve our English. I just and you have to create some account on that application. And all the same beside that, all like application, some application, are like this. You can consider where you can't create. You have to create your account also, and you have to pay. As you
yeah,
can
yeah,
consider
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that is expensive, yeah, but with Skype you can consider Skype application is very useful for everyone. And if you
Yeah,
want to
right,
talk with
right.
improve your English language, you can talk. Yes,
Yes, yes. Without paying, you can connect whole world, right? So it's
yes,
very
yes.
helpful for all the beginners. So all the beginners, they should, talk with more and more people so that they can improve their English.
Some who is running YouTube channel, so it is very easy for him, because and he can connect with different kind of people through his YouTube channel, because he will have mentioned his Skype ID and his number, WhatsApp number on about section, so easily he can connect. And you can consider like me, because I mentioned, and easily daily I get people to talk, and who
Yeah,
don't have YouTube channel, actually he will have to find difficulty all the same, whether he uses which is Skype, all the same he will, if he will start to run YouTube, so definitely he can get people from that application to talk. And
yeah, yeah,
I would like to suggest people to run YouTube channel of English. Definitely they can talk. Yes,
yeah, yeah.
definitely they can. People will call them, and after that they can improve, and to whom they want to make their friends, definitely they can make their friends to him,
Right, yeah,
and
yeah.
after they can speak English
Talk,
with him
yeah.
anytime. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Last
yes,
2 months I had really no friends to talk with others. So really, I used to fear a lot. So I used to do my self practice only. I used to record myself and I used to upload my videos on my YouTube. And finally, I knew about this Skype app, and then I started talking with others. And in this day also, I'm getting more and more friends. So really, I'm very happy. If I'll be continue, definitely we can learn, this language fluently and confidently. Yeah.
yes, yes.
So when
Actually,
is your exam?
I was also
When
having. Yes.
yeah,
Because I was many people in Italy, you can consider, but since I started talking to people, because actually I had no any knowledge about this application in Italy since I started my YouTube channel, but actually I was knowing only about which is Cambly application I was knowing, but I don't know about,
yeah,
I was not knowing about this application which currently I'm using like Skype application. So one person was from Odisha told me about this application, and I downloaded it, and then I started using it. So now I'm getting every person and talking to them, improve my English language. Other besides talking to them, I also having to practice my English language myself at my home.
yes,
And first of
yes,
all, I will sit in front of the mirror. Then I will choose my topic on YouTube. Actually, I will find topic from mobile. Like you can consider, so some topic I'm gonna tell you, like tortoise and rabbit story. Okay, and other topic thirsty chrome and hungry
yeah,
dog.
yeah,
A lot of
yeah,
story, and on that
yeah, yeah,
knowing in Hindi, you can tell in English. Easily you
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
improve.
We should always try to, whatever we have studied or read, we should always read in English, or also whatever the thing that we do since morning till evening, all the routine, we should try to express in English, so that we will be habitual talking or thinking in English, right? Yeah,
Yes,
because all of a sudden, yeah, initially you have to face a lot of problems. If you want to speak in English, then you will not get, proper word, exact word while speaking. But gradually, day by day, if you will practice, everything will become very easy for you to talk.